Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Aklima Opi and my ID is 1932357551. Today my presentation topic is garment simulation with different sewing parameters workshop. So this is content and today we will discuss this topic. So selection of particular garments with figure. It is a polo shirt and it's a garments with figure. Identification of seam class and stitch for given polo shirt. So seam side, seam class is 1, that means superimposed, and stitch class is 500, that means overlock stitch. Hem joining seam class is easy knitting, that means 6, and stitch class is 600, that means covering chain stitch. Bottom hem seam class is 6, that means easy knitting, and stitch class is 600, that means covering chain stitch. Armhole seam class is 1, that means superimposed, and stitch class is 500, that means overlock stitch. Shoulder joint seam class is 2, that means lapped seam, and stitch class is 500, that means overlock stitch. Collar joining seam class is 3, that means bound seam, and stitch class is 400, that means multiple chain stitch. Level join seam class is 7, that means applied seam, and stitch class is 100, that means single thread chain stitch. Bottom heel fabric seam class is 1, that means superimposed, and stitch class is 400, that means multiple chain stitch. Bottom attached fabric seam class is 3, that means bound seam, and stitch class is 100, that means single thread chain stitch. Bottom heel seam class is 1, that means superimposed, and stitch class is 100, that means single thread chain stitch. Bottom attached seam class is 7, that means applied seam, and stitch class is 100, that means single thread chain stitch. Specify the machine used to make the given polo shirt. 5 different type of sewing machine are used to making basic polo shirt. Number 1, bottom adjusting. Number 2, flat lock. Number 3, lock stitch single needle. Number 4, bottom holding. Number 5, over it. Available fabric to make the polo shirt. Polo shirts are typically made for 100% polyester and 100% cotton, and cotton by polyester, and blended such as 94% polyester by 4% spandex. PK is a popular fabric used for polo shirt, and the given polo shirt make the knitting PQ fabric. Needle point for the specific fabric you will to make given polo shirt. The specific fabric is knitting PK fabric, and I will use to knitting light ball point needle for given polo shirt. Sewing fault that may be occur to produce the polo shirt. Mainly sewing faults are 3 types. Number 1, problem of stitch formation. Number 2, seam pucker. Number 3, fabric damage at the seam line. Problem of stitch formation are 4 types. Slipted stitch, unbalanced stitch, variable stitch density, frequency thread breakage. Seam pucker are 5 types. Number 1, unequal stitch on fabric. Number 2, fabric instability. Number 3, extension in sewing thread. Number 4, sewing thread shrinkage. Number 5, fabric construction. Fabric damage at the seam line are 2 types: mechanical damage and heating damage. So my presentation is complete. Thank you, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.